Hey, it's MJ from Esquire, and today we're unboxing and reviewing the latest sneakers from Vans. The good folks at Vans sent me these. We have Vans EVDNT UltimateWaffle. First of all, let me say that I'm not a skateboarder. I don't know how to skateboard, I'm no Margie Didal. So my review will not be performance based, but purely as a lifestyle sneaker. So, let's get to unboxing.
Nice.
As you can see, it comes in a pretty standard Vans box. The traditional red and brown box. So when you open it, they were nice enough to include some stickers. The tissue paper is not paper at all. In fact, it's made out of recyclable plastic. So plus points for sustainability. And then obviously, we have the actual sneakers. Vans did a lot of innovation for these. They veer away from the traditional suede and canvas of other iconic Vans silhouettes, and instead, they made use of knitted mesh, rubber overlays, and leather here on the toe cap, lace cages, and the heel collar. All of these make the upper very light and very breathable. The translucent outsole makes the shoe more durable and has a lot more grip. So if you're a skateboarder, good news for you because it will prevent a lot of slippage. And here, you can also see the internal stabilizing shank for another added protection. The shoe also features an ultra cush insole. I can't remove it completely to show it to you, but as you can see, it is kind of thick and very soft. So I must imagine this will be a lot more forgiving to the ball and the heels of your feet. The inside lining of the shoe is very soft. Here, you can see it here, and also inside the tongue. It's almost socks-like, so they call it the Lux Liner insole. So after wearing it for a day, I can say that they feel more comfortable than the traditional Vans silhouettes. I like these better in terms of how it feels on my feet. The guys at Vans really focused on comfort with these ones, and you can really tell by wearing them. But of course, they're still not on the level of comfort as you might expect from a React or a Boost. So the shoe feels kind of true to size. I'm a US size 10 and lengthwise it feels okay, but I feel like it's kind of narrow. So if you're wide-footed, I suggest that it would be better if you go a half size up. In terms of the overall look of this silhouette, I'd still prefer the classics. I grew up wearing Vans. I remember having this black and white old schools that I wore from high school to college. I wore them almost everywhere. I even played hoops in them. So yeah, those are iconic for me. Those are still worlds apart from this one. But my main concern here is the price. They're considerably more expensive than the classic silhouettes. They're currently retailing for around 6,480 pesos, and that's almost double the price of some authentic Vans or some old schools out there. So I get it that they put premium materials on this, so the price is warranted, but some people might stay away from this because of that. Right now, these are only available in select Vans nationwide. You can check their socials to see where you can cop them. So that's it for my unboxing and review of the Vans EVDNT UltimateWaffles. Comment down below what you think of these sneakers. Are these a W or an L? See you guys next time. Maybe I should start skateboarding soon so that I can be an Olympian in 2024.